Keep your brain sharp after 50. Simple daily habits to prevent memory loss. Watch till the end. Step-by-step guide. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went there, or struggled to remember a name just moments after hearing it? If you're over 50, let me tell you, you're not alone. But here's the truth. Memory loss, brain fog, and mental fatigue, they're not just part of aging. As a doctor, I've spent over 2 decades studying the brain, and I can tell you with confidence, your brain can stay sharp, focused, and active, even into your 80s or 90s. The secret? It's all in your daily habits. And today, I'm going to share the exact science-backed steps you can take. Starting now. Why brain health declines after 50. 1:30 to 6 neuron activity slows. Memory storage weakens. Blood flow to the brain can decrease. You may feel more distracted, forgetful, or mentally tired. But that doesn't mean it's permanent. Many of these changes are due to lifestyle, not age alone. Studies show that people over 50 who stay active, eat well, and manage stress can maintain brain health for decades. Brain scans prove it. 2 people the same age can have drastically different brain aging patterns. One may have shrinkage in memory areas. The other, completely normal. Why? Because of daily choices. Today, let me walk you through those choices. 5 silent brain killers after 50 to 12. Number 1. High blood pressure. It reduces blood flow to the brain, starving it of oxygen. Number 2. Unmanaged diabetes. High blood sugar damages brain cells and increases dementia risk. Number 3. Poor sleep. Without deep sleep, your brain can't clear waste or form memories. Number 4. Loneliness. Social isolation actually shrinks the brain over time. Number 5. Processed sugar. It triggers inflammation, which accelerates brain aging. These are silent and because you don't always feel them, but they cause real damage. The doctor's brain protection formula, 12 to 22. Let's rebuild the brain, starting with what you eat. Add omega-3s from fish, walnuts, or flaxseed. Eat blueberries, turmeric, leafy greens. They're neuroprotective. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration affects thinking. Next, move your body. A 30-minute walk daily improves memory, balance, and blood flow. Add some coordination work, like dancing or playing catch, to stimulate your brain. Now sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Sleep in a dark, cool room. No screens before bed. Try a magnesium supplement or calming tea if needed. Mental stimulation. Read. Learn a new language. Try puzzles or crosswords. Even 15 minutes a day can make a difference. And don't forget, stay socially active. Talk to friends. Join a group. Volunteer. Your brain needs connection. Early warning signs to never ignore. 22 to 27. Now let's talk about early symptoms of brain decline you should never ignore. Regularly forgetting conversations or appointments. Trouble following directions. Mood swings or depression. Getting lost in familiar places. Difficulty finding the right words. If you notice these in yourself or a loved one, don't wait. Early intervention can reverse or slow these changes. Real patient transformations, 27 to 32. Let me share a few real stories. One of my patients, age 62, came in with severe forgetfulness. We changed his diet, improved his sleep, and got him walking every day. Within 3 months, his focus improved dramatically. Another, age 70, was showing signs of mild cognitive impairment. We added language learning and social activities. She now hosts a weekly trivia game with friends and says she feels mentally younger than ever. These stories are not rare. They're possible with commitment. Doctor's own morning brain routine, 32 to 37. Here's what I do personally every morning. I start with deep breathing and 10 minutes of meditation. I drink a glass of warm water with lemon and turmeric. I go for a walk in the sunlight. Then I eat a brain-healthy breakfast, eggs, greens, and berries. Before I check my phone, I read 2 pages of a book or reflect on gratitude. Simple, consistent, powerful, doctor-approved brain supplements, 37 to 39. Some supplements do help. Citicoline supports memory and brain energy. Lion's mane, mushroom, promotes nerve growth. Magnesium, L-threonate, shown to improve memory and sleep. Only use trusted brands. Talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement. Final message. 39 to 40. If you're over 50, let me tell you, it's not too late. Your brain is adaptable, powerful, and ready to improve. But it starts with you. One change at a time. One new habit each day. You can age with clarity, confidence, and control. If you found this helpful, share it with someone you care about. And let's protect our brains together.